Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to repair a flex pipe. First, you'll need to identify the extent of the damage and gather your repair kit, which typically includes a high-temperature wrap or patch. Always ensure your vehicle is safely elevated and completely cool to prevent burns. Proper preparation is key, so thoroughly clean the damaged section of the flex pipe to ensure the repair material adheres effectively. This foundational work sets the stage for a successful and lasting repair. Once you've identified the damage, it's time for meticulous preparation. Begin by removing any loose rust or debris from around the flex pipe's damaged section. A wire brush or coarse sandpaper works wonders to create a slightly rough surface, which significantly improves the bonding of your repair material. Finish this crucial step by wiping the entire area with a suitable degreaser, ensuring no oils or contaminants remain. This clean surface is vital for a strong, durable repair. Now let's apply the repair material. If using an epoxy-based kit, carefully mix the components as directed by the manufacturer. For a repair wrap, ensure it's ready to apply. Begin by spreading the compound evenly over the entire damaged area, extending about 2 inches beyond the hole. Then, tightly wrap the material around the pipe, overlapping each pass by at least 1/2 inch. This creates a robust, multi-layered seal. The final step involves curing and inspection. Allow the repair material to cure completely, which typically takes anywhere from 30 minutes to several hours, depending on the product. Once cured, start your engine and carefully listen and feel for any exhaust leaks around the repaired section. Ensure the material is fully hardened and secure. A successful repair will be airtight and durable, providing many miles of quiet operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.